Welcome, Sadhkas. We are visiting values reservoir at Suryanabhi, the core of the sun, the origin seat of the sun. Today, we shall be focusing upon hypercube 6 format of sun, Surya, and how this format is as is its value 22 gets reorganized as 8 plus 6 plus 8. We know that 6 space plays the role of dimension of 8 space. Simultaneously, we also know that value 6 as 6 space domain splits as value 16. Still further, we also know that the negative order -8 pair of dimensions will lead to value -6. These three features, as these are, will help us appreciate as to how Ashtprakriti unfolds itself in its pair of facets, Jad Prakriti and Chetan Prakriti. We shall sit comfortably and appreciate the values sequence range of Jad Prakriti as well as of Chetan Prakriti. Asht Prakriti is of 8 folds. Jad Prakriti is of 8 folds. Chetan Prakriti is also of 8 folds. And this pair of unfoldment features are there along format of hypercube. Sun is a 6 space body. Surya Ank is 6. 6 space body hypercube is of value 22. The organization of value 22 as 8 plus 6 plus 8 brings us face to face with as to how at the middle as a core 6 space domain there is going to be a 6 steps long unfoldment values range. Jad Prakriti is of 8 folds. Ankar, Buddhi, Man, Akash, Vayu, Agni, Apa and Prithvi. These are 8 folds of Jad Prakriti. Let us sequentially visit these formulations. The formulation Ankar is of TC value 20. Formulation Buddhi is of TC value 25. Formulation Man is of TC value 19. Formulation Akash is of TC value 8. Formulation Vayu is of TC value 13. Formulation Agni is of TC value 14. Formulation Apa is of TC value 8. And formulation Prithvi is of TC value 25. These 8 folds of Jad Prakriti, these 8 formulations constituting Jad Prakriti lead us to TC value 135. Asht Prakriti is of transcendental unfoldment format within creators space. 5 space plays the role of origin of a 4 space. Hypercube 5 is the representative regular body of 5 space within 4 space. Hypercube 5 is a 4-fold manifestation layer, 3, 4, 5, 6, mission value 18. Hypercube 18 is of 37 versions. This base value 37 together with value 135 as summation value of the DC values of 8 folds of Jad Prakriti lead us to total value 172. Now let us visit central core. It is of 6 steps, 6 formulations: Nirmal, Anahat, Divya, Brahm, Divya and Pavitra lead us to DC values 137. Together with the base value 37 will make its value as 174. The Chetan Prakriti as well is of 8 folds: Purusha, Buddhi, Chit, Nad, Sparsh, Tej, Ras and Gan are the 8 folds of Chetan Prakriti. These 8 folds lead to TC value 136. This together with the base value 37 lead us to the value 173. Now let us have a comprehensive view. This comprehensive view is on the computer screen. On the left side is Jad Prakriti. 8 folds Jad Prakriti are of value 135. Together with base value 37, it makes a value 172. The core fold is of 6 steps long. It is of value 174. And on the right side are the 8 folds of Chetan Prakriti. These are of value 136, together with base value 37 equal to 173. Let us have a pause, and it will be blissful to take note that all these 3 folds, 137, 172, 174 and 173 make a value 519. The value parallel with the value of 519 letters of the text of 16 sutras and 13 upsutras. One shall have a path and be face to face with this organization of Jad Prakriti and Chetan Prakriti along the Hypercube 6 format, making it to be the value of existence phenomenon of our solar universe being parallel with existence phenomenon of life within human frame. Sadhakas fulfilled with intensity effort to be parallel with Vedic systems shall visit this organization. One shall sit comfortably and permit the transcending mind to be parallel with this organization. One shall imbibe these values. These values are parallel with the organization value of Ganita Sutras and as such, Vedic mathematics is the natural organization mathematics. It is mathematics solar universe, the mathematics life within human frame. We live as per these values. This is the mathematics, the life mathematics, solar universe mathematics. Thank you very much.